Science is a journey, transforming possibilities into realities. From groundbreaking discoveries to today's most advanced innovations, science is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling personalized, targeted treatments that improve outcomes and redefine patient care. We don't just advance drug development, we bring science to life by testing, analyzing, and ensuring your life-changing treatments become a reality. Founded in 2004 in Ahmedabad, India, Veeda has grown from a passionate startup to a global leader in drug discovery and development as a CRO and an emerging CDMO. We offer integrated services across the entire drug development lifecycle, enabling preclinical, early phase, and late phase clinical development with full service capabilities. With sites across 26 geographies, we take a borderless approach to deliver solutions that propel the development of biotherapeutics and small molecules. By integrating technology, artificial intelligence, and real-world evidence, we ensure speed, precision, and quality in every phase of development. Our commitment to excellence has earned us the trust of clients and patients worldwide, and this is just the beginning. Together, we are driving the future of healthcare innovation, where every step we take brings us closer to your life-changing breakthroughs. We are bigger, better, and boundless. We are now Veeda Lifesciences. We believe in achieving excellence in everything.